How to see who's logged in to your Instagram account. If you want to see who is logged into your Instagram account, what you have to do is to simply launch the Instagram application over here. Then, tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and go to Account Center. From here, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. And here you'll find an option called Where You're Logged In. Tap on the Where You're Logged In option and select your Instagram account. And you will see a list of devices where your Instagram account is logged in. If there are multiple devices, you can tap on Select Devices to log out and select those devices all at once and tap the Logout button to remove from them. And this way, you can see who's logged into your Instagram account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.